Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two cold outreach tools, which is Woodpecker and Warmy. So to get started with a quick overview, Woodpecker is a cold email automation platform designed for B2 sales teams and agencies focused on personalized email sequences, follow-up and team collaboration. Its strength lies in the simple campaign management and the deliverability section or protection. On the other side, Warming is a specialized email warm-up tools that has added basic outreach functions. It labels improving sender reputation and inbox placement, but its outreach capability remains secondary as its core deliverability service. In talking about the strength of this platform, Woodpecker is personalized with as a conditional logic. It also has a bounce detection and a deliverability optimization together with an integrated with ACRM tools. Then talking about the weakness, no built warm-up requires external bottles. It also has a limited scalability compared to high volume platform. And talking about the strength about warming, it has a top-rated email warm-up service. It also spam scores monitoring and a reputation engagement together with a support in multiple inbox aiming, beginners-friendly interface. And here's a moral conclusion. Choose Woodpecker if you need a straightforward core outreach platform with a solid, personalized, and follow-up automation. Then on the other side, pick Warming if your main concern is ensured an email land in the inbox and you need a deliverability enhancement for full sale outreach automation. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.